Forgotten username recovery failed on Yahoo Finance Premium Fix. If you've forgotten your Yahoo Finance Premium username, most people make the mistake of using the wrong email or skipping verification steps. The good news is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo Finance Premium login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Yahoo will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can often be filtered automatically, so be thorough. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, collect verification details such as your full name, recent subscription payments, or recent portfolio activity. Contact Yahoo support with these details to speed up the process. Step 4. Once you've retrieved your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Activating two-factor authentication adds extra security and helps prevent future lock-in issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to Yahoo Finance Premium without frustration. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are essential to keeping your stock alerts, premium analytics, and portfolio data safe and accessible.